Nom. No 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 no. Chirp chirp. Chirp 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 chirp. No 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 no. Chirp 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 chirp. Tweet 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 tweet. All right, let's see. Do we have everybody? 1, 2. Yep, we got everybody. All right, family, let's fly. You got it, sweetie. Right behind you, Dad. Wait. What about me? Chip 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 chip. Wait. Wait. Wait, Mama, Papa, Big Sister, wait, don't leave me behind. Chip, chip, chip. Shoo. Ah! Chip, 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 chip. Ow! 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 They forgot me! Hey, Jen, you got something on your nose. I do, Lena? Where? Wink, wink. Oops, never mind. Not there. Lena, how dare you trick me like that? Got you again, buddy. You know, the one time you actually get to do a big nose trick like that is down to me to let me know that... Ched, did you hear that? Yeah, it must have been the sound of your giggles when you punched me in my nose. You was laughing so hard that... No, shh, 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 shh. I hear something. Are you sure? Shh. Do you hear that? I don't hear anything. Up there! Up where? There, you see? Ched, look! It's a bird. A baby bird. Oh, poor baby. What's he doing up there? I don't know. I think he's getting ready to slip and fall. Oh no, that poor baby bird! Oh no! Shit, we gotta help him! You're right, Lena. That innocent bird, he needs our help. Come on, let's see if we can catch him. I got you, sweetie! Land on me! No, land on me! I got you, buddy! Don't worry, Mommy will save you! No, I will save you! Bang! Help me! Help! I got you now! Oh. Shit! He's gonna hurt himself! Boom! I heard that thump. I heard that thump. He must have landed somewhere. Come on. Little bird. Little bird. Here, birdie. Here, birdie. Little birdie. Ched, look, I found him. Oh no. Little birdie. Oh. You poor little guy. Don't worry. Mommy got you. I got you. Come here. Oh, you poor little guy. Is he okay? I don't think so, Ched. He fell. He has to be okay. Oh, come on, little guy. Come on, little guy. You gotta wake up. You're a bird. You're strong. You're one of the beautifulest animals ever. You got this, buddy. Here, let me see. He's alive. He is? Yes. He just had a pretty nasty fall there. A nasty, ugly one. We gotta wake him up. I know. Let's take him back to my house. I got all sorts of medicine for birds. Good idea, Ched. Here, let me carry him. Lead the way. Follow me. Oh, this sweet innocent baby. I'm really worried about him. What did he ever do to deserve this? All right, I got the medicine right here. Is that bird medicine? It's the goodest bird medicine around here. All right, you might want to move back. Let the doctor work his magic. saved you. Yeah, little guy, we saved you. You're okay now. Come here. Oh, I thought we would lost you. Hi there, my name is Ched, and I'm Lena. We're the Pure Peoples. He's so cute. Look at him, he's so cute and charming. He really is. What's his name? Chirp. Chirp? I decided to call him Chirp because, you know, chirp, 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 as a bird would say.
Done, Lena, we really gotta let you stop naming animals and let them just name themselves.
Wait, where are you going? Where are you going, little guy? Wait, you can't fly now. You just got fixed. Oh no, little birdie. You can't fly, honey. You just got fixed. Yeah, you try and fly now, you're gonna ruin yourself. We gotta wait a while. Uh-oh, Lena, I don't think he can fly. I know, Ched. You just gave him medicine. No, I don't think he can fly anyway because after that big nasty fall, he probably broke his wing. Oh no! Come here, honey. Don't do that. Don't do that. You can't do that. You can't fly. You broke your wing. Shh. Oh, this poor little guy. He fell, and now he broke his wing. Now he can't fly. Don't cry, sweetie. Don't cry. Come on, don't cry. Don't let mommy see you cry like that. Don't worry. We're gonna help him fly again. But how, Ched? I love birds, but I never taught them how to fly before. Usually their mommy and daddies help them. Don't worry, Lena. I'm a pretty expert about flying. Really? Yes, and I believe that we work together, we can help this innocent little bird get back on his wing so that he will be able to fly with a wing. Let's do it. First lesson about flying is opening up your wings. We gotta try and get that wing back to working. Like this. Can you do that? Squawk! Let's try something more similar. Okay, we'll try something different. From a high building. Hey guys, what's up? Hi Alias! Whoa, you found a birdie? Oh, I never get to see birdies up close because they're always flying away when you get close to them. Because they're scared of people because they know they're gonna grab their nets and put them in cages. Well, that's okay, Alias. We're not like those strangers that like to hunt birds. We just want to teach this bird how to fly. He had a really nasty fall. He fell. Oh, you poor little guy. Yes! So we're teaching him how to refly again. Well, let me be the expert about that. Come on, I've always wanted to teach a bird how to fly, except vultures. Man, I'm scared of vultures. Alias, I think we're better off teaching them together. No, guys, I got this. You guys just sit there and watch. I'm gonna teach you guys what to do, so that next time you guys know what to do. Alias, I really think we should just let us teach them. Yes, Alias, listen to Ched for a minute. Don't worry, little birdie. We're gonna teach you how to fly. Go be with your family. I'm gonna throw you. You oval body-shaped head! Look what you did! You threw him! Chirp! 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 I got you, honey! No! I'm okay! And he's okay too! I landed on my head, he landed on my nose. We can't throw birds. Okay. What else we got in mind? Don't worry, I got more ideas where that came from. That was only just the beginning. Now, we're gonna try and see if he knows something. With the wind. Oh, it's a nice windy day. I know. Let's try putting him near the wind and see will he fly near the wind. Yeah, birds are always being carried away by the wind. It helps them stay on their wings and they're tracked. All right, buddy, Chirp. Go in the air. Chirp! Not again! Oh, not again! Oh, we are terrible at this job! Chirp! I'll get the ladder. I'll get the emergency kit. It's not working. Chirp is still not good at flying. I guess we're just gonna have to keep him until he really can't fly. Oh, I really want to help this bird. Me too, Ched. But we can't push it on him. Later on that night. Hi, Chirp. Hi, buddy. We brought you some bird food. What's wrong, sweetie? Aw, he wants to be up there with the other birds. I'm up here and he has somewhere to be. Mommy, Papi, sister. Oh. He can talk and I didn't even notice that? So many logics for a pure people village, am I right? He really wants to go home with his family. I want him to go home with his family too, but it's hard for him to fly his way there without him having a sore on his wing and his beak. Don't worry, buddy. We'll get you home. Trust me. Chickadoo. Ah. The next morning. Chickadoo. Chickadoo. Good morning, Chirp. With a hey! Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Chirp! No, sweetie! Chirp! Chirp!
Oh, what happened? I'm up. I overslept.
Chirp! Chirp is flying out the window!
He's flying out the window?
Chirp, sweetie, wait!
No, Chirp! You're not ready! Oh, forgot to close the door. Chirp! No! You're not ready! You're still hurt!
Come back! I can do this. I can do this. Chirp! Wait!
Wait for us! Where are you going? I thought you was injured!
Okay, he's doing good, right, Chad?
Yeah, he's doing good, Lena, but I still don't know. Remember what happened last time? Big win? The throwing off the building? I still don't trust him for this yet. He still needs a little bit more time to heal.
We need to get him. Chirp, sweetie!
Wait, buddy! Oh, cool! A big bowl of mashed potatoes, and I get to have it all to myself, and I don't gotta share. Huh? Wait, can birds eat mash? Wow! Sorry, Scruffy. Hi, Scruffy. Chad? Lena?
Chirp, wait! I can't catch him.
So neither can I. Oh, hey, easy there, little guy, easy. Whoa! Sorry, Elmo. Oh, hi, Chad, hi, Lena.
Dude, I want to go home.
I turned to a ball. Dominoes. Oh, I'm a frog ribbit.
Alias.
You know, guys, getting knocked over is not what I had on my to-do list today.
No, we're chasing after Chirp.
Wait, do you mean that little bird you found yesterday? What about him?
He's flying away.
And that's a problem? It is a problem! He's gonna get himself killed! Killed? I would say get himself in an injury more like.
Well, that too.
Okay, well, let me catch up.
Chirp, wait! Wait, buddy, wait! Chirp. Oh, Chirp. Chittle. I'm gonna miss him so much.
So am I. I hope he's okay.
What if he fell somewhere and we're not there to help him? Oh, Chad. Chirp. Don't do that to us.
We were worried about you. Why would you run away from us like that? You don't like us? Cheeto. Huh? Squawk! What the? Ah! Cheeto! He found his family. Cheeto! Chirp, you found your family. And you did it all by yourself by flying. Well, that was unexpected. I'll take it. Oh, buddy. We're so happy you're feeling better. I guess you don't need us no more, huh? I guess he doesn't. Now that his family is around him, they can teach him how to do the rest. You're welcome. Aw. Uh-oh. Wait. I didn't sign up for no bird cuddle. Just take it, Chad. No, really. There's too many birds. Okay. I guess we're going with it. Don't forget about us, okay? And come and visit us anytime you want. I'm so happy we met him. So did I. But it was pretty much your idea because you found him at first. Well, I decided we both can do it together since you and I are pretty much a couple. Yeah. I can't wait till we have our own kids one day. Yeah. And hopefully it won't have to be a bird. It can be actually a pure people. Seeing Chirp out there makes me so happy. Yeah. Lena, Chad, did you guys actually take care of a bird? We sure did, Scruffy. All by ourselves. Great! Now when do you think that I get to learn how to fly? Aliens, we don't fly. We're pure peoples. Man. You can do that all day like we're gonna care. I wish we can have a dog. I don't think it may have a good idea to have a dog around us. Why? What you looking at me for? No, seriously. Why are you staring at me? I'm eating a hot dog.